Prezidente República husu Organizasaun Mundial Sau atau Elimina Moras Tuberkulose e Timor-Leste.
Representante Organizasaun Mundial Sau di Timor-Leste tersane halau encontro ho Presidente República Jerome Jorta o di qualia konba moras malaria ne bema ke elimina ona i Timor-Leste no hetang ona certificação. I encontro ne Ram Jorta mos suba Organizasaun Mundial Saudi atau halau esforço o di elimina moras tuberkulose ka TB i Timor-Leste ne be continua resista as mai be representante OMS ne considera difícil.
Ending TB, elimination is a bit far, but ending TB as we call, it is done through number of actions that ranges from screening to treatment, and WHO with Ministry of Health with the support of the Global Fund and many other partners are working towards ending TB from early detection through technology, digital X-rays, AI enabled with the diagnostic confirmation, with the gene expert available in every municipality, but also now Ministry of Health and WHO supporting community health workers and volunteers in every LDA. So that is the whole effort that we are looking into, making sure that the treatment is available along with the food support that Ministry of Health and Ministry of Social Solidarity have discussed about. So a multiple action. Minister has recently launched also a national task force on ending TB. So all of these actions will help us towards ending TB. But if we would want to have more discussions, I will be happy to have a separate interactions with you all and explain more in details with my technical team on what all efforts that the Ministry of Health is putting together with the technical support from WHO on ending TB. There is a plan for accelerated actions for ending TB, and President actually is very keen to see that plan gets implemented in the country.
E esta semana koto ko Organizasaun Mundial Saudi sertificado na Timor-Leste anisa nasaung ida nível livre usi malaria. Timor-Leste anudar nasaung da tolo kusi sudeste asiático nível livre usi malaria afoin Maldives no Sri Lanka. Tu irdados si Organizasaun Mundial Saudi total nasaung nebe mak livre ona usi moras malaria hamutuk hatun rasing hito. Agustino da Costa, GMN.